you sure you don't have any apples? No.
All right, welcome back to the Stein Homesteads. Been a couple days since we posted much in the way of a big video. Been working too much, trying to catch up, so we're gonna do it's about a 1 month, I'd say 3-week pig review. What we've learned, what we've had to do, how they've integrated into the homestead. So we're gonna start by getting them a bucket of feed. Now, back I have a special guest contributor, Hunter Stein. What are we gonna do? Are we gonna pick some weeds for the pigs? Because we've kind of discovered that they will happily eat buckets of weeds out of the garden. So, I got my blue 5-gallon bucket here, and me and Hunter are gonna fill up some pig feed, and I'll show you what we got going on over here. All right, so here we're back. Hunter, let's get these weeds over here. The pigs love weeds, so we are going to, with our work together, fill them a whole bucket.
These weeds?
That's a potato.
These weeds? Is this weed?
Yep. All right, I'm just scooting right past you, buddy. There you go. Fill it up.
Yep.
What's normally a waste product in your garden becomes
Hell, guys, we don't get that.
a resource to feed your animals.
Why are pigs those flowers?
Oh, that's just weed flowers. Because those pigs will eat that up good. Put it in here. So this way we can accomplish two things with one, get two birds with one stone, huh, Hunter? We can weed the garden and feed the pigs.
Yeah, we can do it.
And these pigs love this food, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
Don't pick that one. It's got, oh no, that was okay. Some of them have, put it in. We'll keep packing it in. Yep. Yep, put them in.
Yep, bang.
This is a radish we planted last year, hoping to bust up the soil. It's just like a fodder crop, so it's going to do its job this year. And look at this! Look at this weed picking machine over here. Look at you go! Hello. But the potatoes are looking nice, aren't they, Hunter?
Yeah, potatoes.
Oh, those ones got flowers on them. All right, here's a few more. Get them weeds.
Yeah, get them weeds.
All right, we're almost full, but we got a stick. Oh yeah, we don't want to feed them a stick, do we?
No.
Put that one in there.
Yeah. What pig doing?
You're doing such a good job. Because normally these weeds require composting to become useful, but we're going to make them useful immediately for animal feed. So in a way, the weeds have become a crop. What else are we doing? We're gonna get our ham radio license. Oh, did I get dirt on you? All right, that's a bucket of weeds. All right, let's go give them to the pigs. Oh, let me lift you over.
No, I got
You got it? Okay.
Watch out for my mace. Now it's moved.
Look at that bucket of weeds. Whole big bucket. Whoa. We'll also need the shovel to pick up pig poop, won't we?
Yeah.
Will you help me find pig poop?
Yeah, I did.
Because we don't want to leave it out too much because it can get stinky. There's the little chicks. All right. Watch your head. Come on. No, we're going to go this way. We're going to the pigs. Oh, and bees are busy.
Do you Daddy, they pour
All right.
I'm so worried about
There's a whole pile of weeds down here this morning that they have consumed up. So we're gonna dump them a new pile and stand back.
These are a whole pile of pigs.
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
They're trying to see what else we have for them.
I pat it.
You did.
I did pat it.
You did. All right, let's check on the beehive. Holy smokes, they're busy. Looks like we got orientation flight day. They're everywhere. I don't know if you can see it very well in the GoPro, but they are definitely not a swarm. They're not getting ready to leave. Because if you pick one bee out of the crowd and you watch it, they'll fly a...
I'll put it in.
Okay, you put it in the bucket. Whoa, that's a big one.
Yeah, it's ready.
Those are fodder beets. Put them in. All right, let's...
Way more.
All right.
No. Yeah.
All right, ready to go dump it out? All right, go dump the bucket over there for him. I'm gonna start looking for poop. Because doing this on an 1.5 acres, if you don't keep the poop up, you will get a smell. And then the neighbors don't like you for it. But as you can see, it's kind of like a hard crusty poop. All right, you got it dumped out. All right, let me see it. You don't want this poop, it's stinky. Don't worry, we rinse out the poop bucket. See any other poop over here, Hunter? This is the other area they like, because pigs, they're really kind of habitual animals, I'm finding out in my month of time with them. They're clean and they like to poop in the same areas. But no, I smell that might be the bucket. The bucket's kind of stinky, isn't it, Hunter? Yeah, it's a little smelly. Which is okay, because that's why we're... Oh, all right. Well, step in a hole more there. A little stinky, but not bad.
Daddy, you're riding my shoe.
You tried to eat your shoe?
Hey, you have a shoe.
All right. I'll be right up. We got our bucket of pig poop. It's actually... Overall, they're not smelly, but you can definitely smell it when you got a bucket of the poop. And I just have a place back here that I'd cover it with some straw so it can break down. Here's 3 of our 6 turkeys. I had to put them in their own little isolation chamber because the other birds weren't accepting of them yet. All right. So now I do over here is kick some straw to the side, dump it down, cover it up, keeps the smell down. Take a closer look at this beehive over here while we're down here. Holy smokes, they're busy. Now look at those suckers. And yeah, they're pretty friendly. You can stand this time of year, as long as you're not blocking the front entrance, you can pretty much stand right by the hive and they won't give you too two thoughts, so we'll let them do their thing. Birds, we got a whole little funny farm going on here. Geese down in the pond, or not geese, but ducks in the pond. Turkeys, the garden. Say, it's all coming along. We've been helped out quite a bit this year because of a phenomenal amount of rain. Usually we don't get a lot of rain, but, and that's that. I find that the pigs are actually, if I'm being honest, they're easier than the chickens. You go in there, pick up poop a little bit, make sure they have water, give them some feed, and let them do their pig things. And the pen I have them in now, that'll be a garden in a couple of years. Hopefully a very low effort garden. So thanks for coming along.